Let's talk a little bit about the fabric we're going to use in this tutorial. Let's look at the duoplex fabric. Duoplex fabric is a tricot knit material. It is very stable and doesn't stretch much in either directions. So this is a very suitable fabric if you are making your first bra. It has a shiny, glossy side and a more matted side. Duoplex is reversible, so you could choose to use either the glossy or the matte side for your project. You will also need power net for your bra making. This fabric is very stretchy in one direction as opposed to the other. If you take a closer look at the structure of the fabric, it looks like it's being made up of a mesh of rectangles. So we are lining up the paper patterns for cutting on this power net. Make sure the grain line noted on the paper pattern is parallel to the length of the little rectangles you see in the mesh.